Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, you should hit that subscribe button. So, the video you're about to see is of the wrap gen, finally. Unfortunately, I didn't film an intro, so I'm filming it right now. But you guys, let me know what you think about the gen in the comment section. Also, go to Infinity 5 Wraps. That is our wrap business. And that's on Instagram, so you guys can check out a couple of the other cars that we've done, obviously the gen, and then, you know, go from there. Also, in the beginning of this video, where I got cut off, yeah, I was discussing GC Tuner, the lower grills to the car. I actually ordered an aftermarket set. They've been gone. I haven't gotten them yet, so I'm waiting on that, as well as some other housekeeping items. So enjoy the video, and again, let me know what you guys think about the gen, because you're on it, and ooh, it got the desired effect. So yeah, enjoy the video. Anyway, still waiting for those from GC Tuner. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. And yeah, that's about it. But I'm actually starting to think that I might get my money back and my part back from 3.8 Performance, because 6.5 months is too long for them to have a part. So I might, and that motor's been sitting there ready to go into the gen. So it's about time. So, but let me stop wasting your time and let me show you the gen, because damn. By the way, it seems like I found the loudest spot to shoot this video, but man, just, I know you guys want to see it. I'm walking around the gen, and you know, you ready? You ready? Here we go. Oh yeah, you see it? Oh, sorry, my hand was in the way. Here we go. Man, the gen came out perfect. It's tough, maybe tough to see on video, but as you see me walking around the car, some of it kind of turning purple. The color is actually Vivid's right there on the fender there, but the color is actually called Superhero Blue by Vivid. There is like a pink purple metallic in it that helps that color shift. I did leave on the carbon fiber wrapped cap because I think it actually looks better, but the way this came out, whew. Oh yes, by the way, I put the silver Hyundai symbol back on. Anyway, sorry, like I said, loudest place I could possibly pick. Sorry, but I love how the spec taillights work with this wrap. But like as you can see, look, I love the way it shifts. It's just one, I know you guys been waiting for it, especially since I was going to learn how to do this stuff. Let me know what you guys think. How did it come out? I just love how the carbon fiber hood it goes so well with this. Like I said, I am missing the inserts, the lower grill inserts here. I did order those through GC Tuner, and they're actually matte, a different style, but it's been like a month and a half. So they're supposed to actually get back to me and you know, let me know what's going on with that. But man, I just, whew. How long did this take me? I'm sure you're wondering. So in real time, it took about 38 hours. But it took 2 weeks. Here's the reason why it took 2 weeks. Anyway, the reason why it took 2 weeks was I was doing it while I was doing my regular job. So I'd actually go into the garage, because I'm still working from home, and do a little bit here, do a little bit there. And then I also really wanted to learn the ins and outs of wrapping a Genesis Coupe. And I have to say, what I found out is I might as well have been wrapping a Lambo. The angles and things with this car make it make it a little bit more difficult because you don't have completely flat surfaces. The trunk, for example, I found out you can one-piece it if you are like with years of experience. I did two-piece that trunk because that's what most rappers apparently do with this particular trunk. I did try to one-piece it, and what happens is because the trunk, first of all, if you're looking at the trunk from the back, the trunk actually goes like that. So it's got a little bit of a oval shape to it. And then you've got kind of the, there is a little bit of a lip because you're coming up this way, and then you come down this way, come back in this way, and come back this way. And it's so subtle, but it makes a difference. And then the trunk actually comes on an angle like this, which makes it harder. They're like doing like wheelies and stuff down here, and it does make it harder to wrap that trunk. The wrap wants to bunch and things like that. So those were the issues I was running into. Also, the roll that I got, it was only 50 feet, and 50 feet seems like a lot, but not enough for this car. I didn't even waste a piece as far as big panels are concerned, and I wouldn't have been able to do the hood, which obviously isn't done, and I wouldn't have been able to do I didn't have enough wrap for the front and rear bumpers, so it was a little bit more difficult. So what I actually had to do was go directly to Vivid, order a piece one piece big enough for the front and rear, and then the way that works is you actually cut it in half because it's about 30 inches for each bumper height wise, and then I was able to wrap it. So oh, here comes some more wheelies, or not. Damn, never mind. Man, disappointed me. Anyway, so it wasn't, it was a pain in the butt, and that's also, it took a couple days, so there was probably about 3 days in that 2-week period that I didn't wrap anything. So it was interesting. Fun? Yes, I have the patience. I love the wrap. So we are actually starting to get busy and things like that, so I'm going to be wrapping a lot more. The goal is by April, May to be doing that full time and me leaving my IT job because it's boring. So again, the color is Vivid Superhero Blue. I do have to say, wrapping with Vivid, if you guys recall, the dry carbon fiber that I used before that wrap was kind of brittle, and I found out from Vivid that particular process, that's what happens to that. But with this one, it's thicker. If any of you have ever worked with KPMF, this is probably just as thick, if not thicker. So it was a little bit more forgiving, and I won't say it's easy to work with because again, you've got to do a lot of pulling and a lot of heat. But the difference between this particular Vivid wrap and the Vivid XPO carbon fiber silver that I was using is when you put a little bit too much heat to it and it didn't take a lot of heat, you could see it stretch. So the carbon fiber print would stretch and it didn't look great. But with this one, not a whole, it took a lot of heat and didn't warp or anything like that. So overall, I'd say I'll give myself a B plus. I'll give myself a B plus for this particular wrap, this wrap job on my car. I am super anal retentive, so there are little things here and there that I have to fix and work on. Nothing crazy, nothing noticeable, except it just bothers me. Oh, also, by the way, I did put the Sabon carbon fiber grill in. This is a new one, and as you can see, this one actually fits a lot better than the one I bought off of eBay a few years ago. So I do love this. I ended up getting this from Gen Racer. I believe it was about 300, but definitely well worth it. It looks 10 times better than the old one. So let me know what you guys think. But again, look, oh man, just look at that. I love how everything came out. Yes, I had to wrap that too. not actually easy. It's not fun. And again, I'm waiting for the insert, so that's why you're seeing some black. Last thing too, so I did end up buying a brand new front bumper. Again, reason being was because when I took the other wrap off, remember I painted that one myself, a lot of the paint came off with it, and then, you know, I sanded it and things like that, but I wasn't sure how the wrap was going to actually sit, so I just ended up buying a new front bumper and just wrapping that bumper because I knew it would be smooth and things like that. So, you know, it did, like I said, it came out pretty well. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what you guys think about this video. I am going to try to post once or twice a month right now, just because we are getting busy with jobs and the wrap and stuff like that. So I just don't want to promise every week and not be able to deliver. Popo. But, you know, at least once, twice a month, definitely once a month, possibly once every 2 weeks. Because we do want to get that motor in. I know you guys are also waiting for the video on the new short throw shifter I put in, the cooler works, so I will do that as well. But again, let me know what you guys think about this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully, oh man, again, you've been waiting for a long time, and there it is. Again, go to Infinity5 Wraps, the other Instagram, and you'll see it there, the pictures of this. I'll also post them on my Instagram, Driven Genesis, as well. So, God, I'm not winning here with these motorcycles. So until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.